CDTT checklist and packing. CDTT parts checklist. Here are all of the components necessary for the CDTT kit. The screen will highlight each item consecutively. CDTT main device. CDTT lab sled. Soil syringe. Squirt bottle of deionized water. 4 mesh sieve. Plastic capped centrifuge tube. Electrode sheets. Soil grinder bowl and pestle. Box of nitrile gloves. Box of filter paper. Plastic funnel. Plastic beaker. Plastic Erlenmeyer flask. Scissors. Stirring rod. Extra straps for shaker. 3 liquid syringes. Lab sled cup. Solution 1 bottle. Solution 2 bottle pair, 1 for water, 1 for soil. Solution 3 bottle. Heating pad. Soil shaker. Metal tin. Battery pack. Packing the CDTT backpack. Packing instructions. 1. Put the box of nitrile gloves in the leftmost compartment. 2. Put the laminated slick sheets in the rightmost compartment. 3. Put the CDTT main device in the frontmost compartment. 4. Put the CDTT lab sled in the compartment to the left of the CDTT main device. 5. Put the solution 1 bottle in the large compartment. 6. Put the solution 2 bottle water next to the solution 1 bottle. 7. Put the solution 2 bottle soil next to solution 2 bottle water. 8. Put the solution 3 bottle next to the solution 2 bottle soil. 9. Put the soil shaker in the compartment above the CDTT main device. 10. Put the mesh sieve in the compartment above the CDTT lab sled. 11. Put the soil grinder bowl in the compartment above the mesh sieve. 12. Put the pestle in the upper left zipper pocket. 13. Put the 2 plastic Erlenmeyer flasks in the leftmost compartment with the box of nitrile gloves. 14. Put the plastic beaker in this compartment as well. 15. Put the plastic funnel in this compartment as well. 16. Put the 2 centrifuge tubes with blue caps in this compartment as well. 17. 17. Put the box of filter paper in this compartment as well. 18. Put the metal tin in this compartment as well. 19. Put the lab sled cup in the CDTT lab sled. 20. Put the magnetic pill in the lab sled cup. 21. Put the 3 liquid syringes in the upper right zipper pocket. 22. Put the soil syringe in the upper right zipper pocket. 23. Put the extra straps for the soil shaker in the upper left zipper pocket. 24. Put the stylus in the upper left zipper pocket. 25. Put the stirring rod in the middle zipper pocket. 26. Put the scissors in the middle zipper pocket. 27. Put the heating pad in the rightmost compartment. 28. Put the battery pack in the rightmost compartment. 29. Put the cables in the rightmost compartment. 30. Velcro the strap of the rightmost compartment. Ensure all zippers are zipped fully so nothing escapes. 31. Fold over the right side of the backpack. Zip the backpack fully. 32. Put the bag of electrodes in the outer front zipper pocket. 33. Zip up this pocket. Put the squirt bottle of deionized water in the outer side pouch. Ensure the cap is untied. Thank you for watching.